Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pablo Gonzalez and I am the head of department of ECAMS. This is a personal invitation to join us for our next course in Athens, Greece. We will be covering amazing techniques regarding the non-surgical. We'll be covering all the energy-based devices, all the new protocols, the safety, and also injectables and many of other things that we can perform inside our offices. Regarding the surgical part, we will be teaching and we will be covering the most important and a new technique that was developed by me, which is called topographic labioplasty. So you will be having this direct interaction with me regarding the learning of this nice technique. Also, we will be performing all other techniques regarding vaginal tightening, fat grafting, and all other surgical options to enhance the function and aesthetics of vulva and vagina. So please don't miss this great opportunity to join us in Athens. Hope to see you there. Take care. Bye bye.